Residency in Panama under the Marrakesh Agreement. In this blog, we will explore the requirements and procedure for obtaining residency in Panama under the Marrakesh Agreement. This agreement allows foreign workers to live and work in Panama, contributing to the country's economic growth. First, we will cover the requirements for Marrakesh residency in Panama, detailing the necessary documentation and conditions to apply. Next, we will discuss the requirements for extending Marrakech residency, outlining the steps for renewing your permit. Lastly, we will explain the work permit under the Marrakech-Panama Treaty, highlighting its benefits and essential requirements for applying for a work permit. This comprehensive guide aims to provide clarity and essential information for those considering residency and employment opportunities in Panama under the Marrakesh Agreement. What is the Marrakesh Agreement? The Marrakesh Agreement, signed in 1994, established the World Trade Organization, making a significant milestone in global trade. Its aim was to create more robust and inclusive international trading system, promoting fair competition and reducing trade barriers. The Marrakesh Treaty, part of this agreement, sought to facilitate access to published work for individuals with visual impairments or print disability, thereby promoting inclusivity and equal access to information. The Marrakesh Declaration of 1994, adopted during the signing of the agreement, underscored the commitment of member countries to liberalize trade and ensure that the benefits of increased global trade will be shared equitably among all nations. Regarding environment law, the Marrakesh Agreement includes provisions to ensure that trade and environmental policies were mutually supportive. Requirements: Marrakesh, Panama. Foreigners entering Panama to work in companies with fewer than 10 Panamanian employees can apply for residency under the Marrakesh Agreement, adopted by Panama through Law 23 of 1997. To qualify for this permit, the worker must demonstrate a salary for at least $1,000 per month. The required documents include notarized power of attorney and application, must include names of nationality of the applicant's parents, three photographers, certified passport copy, notarized or certified, criminal record certificate for applicants of legal age, health certificate showing good health, personal background declarations were formed, sworn the statement of personal history, certified check, one for $2,100 payable to the National Treasury and another for $1,800 payable to the National Migration Service. Work permit and work ID, card copy, proof of legal employment in Panama, employment contract endorsed by the Ministry of Labor, company letter on company letterhead seen by the legal representative, company's operation notice copy, public register certification copy, proof of company registration, national income tax clearance, proof of company tax compliance, social security affiliation proof, copy of social security card, only in the first application. Requirements for the extending Marrakesh residency. To apply for an extension of the Marrakesh residency, applicants must present the previously mentioned documents, excluding the criminal record certificate and certificate checks. Additionally, they must provide a certification from the Social Security Fund proving the payment of the 9 consecutive contribution, even if the applicant has changed employers. Work permit under Marrakesh-Panama Treaty. One of the significant benefits of the residency under the Marrakesh Agreement is obtaining a work permit, which allows foreign professionals to work legally in Panama. This permit not only facilitates economic growth and cultural exchange, but also provides a legal framework for integrating international expertise into Panama workforce. For more information, visit the official resources that we give you in the description below. Requirement for applying for a work permit. To apply for a work permit under the Marrakesh Agreement, the following documents are required. Notarized power of attorney and application. Original and copy signed by both the company and the applicant. Employment contract. Original contract in accordance with Article 68 of Cabinet Decree number 252 of December 30, 1971. Employer's operation notice. Require only the employer falls under the specific exceptions. Public register certification. Original certification proving the company legal status and social security payroll. Legible photocopy of the previous month payroll with the original for comparison, including proof of payment. Migration status certificate issued by the National Migration Service with $8 in stamps. Identification document. Legible copies of the immigration card or personal ID card, authenticated by National Identification Department. Passport copy. Legible copy of the passport, general information page, valid at the time of application. Photographers. 4 passport-size photos with the applicant's name on the back. Additional documents for the expert or technical worker as specified in Article 7. Limitations. Only one foreign worker is allowed per payroll for this type of permit. Duration granted for 1 year, renewable for the same period. At NDM Law Firm, we specialize in helping you secure residency and work permit in Panama under the Marrakesh Agreement. Our experienced legal team ensures a smooth application process, handling all necessary documentation and compliance with local regulations. So you can contact us here and see you soon.